Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Dholi. Today the topic of my presentation Bonus Act. Definition of bonus: money or an equivalent given in addition to an employee's usual compensation, a sum in excess of salary given to an athlete for singing with a team. Aims of the Payment of Bonus Act 1965. The Payment of Bonus Act 1965 aims at providing for the payment of bonus to the employees of a certain establishment on the basis of profits or production power productively and for matters connected therewith. Mode and time for payment of bonus. Bonus should be paid in cash and within 8 months from the close of the accounting year. Bonus is payable only annually. Section 22. Eligibility for bonus. Every employee receiving salary or wages up to rupees 10,000 per month and engaged in any kind of work, whether skilled, unskilled, managerial, supervisory, etc., is entitled to bonus for every according year if he was work for at least 30 working days in that year. Maximum and minimum bonus payable. Minimum bonus. The minimum bonus which an employer is required to pay even if he suffers losses during the according year or there is no allocable surplus is 8.33% of the salary during the according year. Rupees 100 in case of employees above 15 years and 60 in case of the employees below 15 years, whichever is higher. Maximum bonus. If in an accounting year the allocable surplus calculated after taking into account the amount set on or amount set of exceeds the minimum bonus, employer should pay bonus in proper to the salary or wage earned by the employee in that accounting year, subject to a maximum of 20% of such salary or wages. Applicability. Section 1. The Act applies to every factory and every other establishment employing not less than 20% on any day during an accounting year. The central state government can, however, extend its provisions to any establishment employing less than 20 but more than 10%. The establishment covered under the Act shall continue to pay bonus even if number of employees falls below 10 at a later date. Eligibility. Section 8. Every employee other than an applicant receiving salary or wages up to 3,500 per month and engage in any kind of work, whether skilled, unskilled, manual, clear, clerical, etc. It entitled to bonus for every according year if he has worked for at least 330 working days in the year. Employer's obligations. The calculate and pay annual bonus as required under the Act. The maintain the proscribed registers. File annual return of bonus paid Form D to the inspector within 30 days. Thank you.